Good morning, YouTube. Today I thought I'd just talk about a few little things that have made my life easier here in the motorhome. Please enjoy my stories or whatever else might be on my mind today. And the first one I want to talk about is Velcro. Down here I have a little wastebasket, and it's Velcroed to the wall in order that it doesn't fall down when we're traveling. I used to come back here and it was always falling down, and if there was anything in it at all, it was scattered around on the floor. That keeps it where it's at, but you can still take it loose. My bear extender, that up there, Velcro. You buy double-sided tape. This is a roll of it, and it comes in the two parts. I also have a screen that I Velcro up to the back window when I open it up. Gives me great airflow in here. Another thing I want to talk about is double-sided tape. You see this lamp here? It's taped down. See this? It's double taped down. It doesn't move. See this? It's double taped down. It doesn't move. See these things? Actually, I think I screwed screws into those from the bottom. This lamp is a high-intensity 20 watt halogen desk lamp, but I converted it to LEDs, and those would be 12 volt LEDs, and you just do that by taking the transformer out and the guts and hooking up these two rods to 12 volts. You got to get the polarity right, or the LEDs don't work unless they're minus plus correct. Another thing I have is a little meter right here that I ordered from dx.com in China, and it just tells me the voltage when I turn the light on. And I have a chart back here that shows me what my percentage of state of charge is. So right now the meter says 12.2, which means I'm down to 60%. And that's after 3 days, and we use the electric coffee pot. My wife has an electric espresso maker. We use the microphone to the microwave to defrost, pound a hamburger, and to heat up coffee and stuff. Also heated up some leftovers for lunch a couple of different times. So, and we watch some TV at night. So we have a 2,000 watt inverter up in the front that all of that runs off of. We have 4 6-volt golf cart batteries, and after 3 days it says we're down to 12.2. The fact is that it's about 12.46. I have another meter up at the front that's closer to the batteries, and it measures it more accurately. This has a lot of very small wires, which shouldn't make any difference with the voltage, but it seems to. And I have a smaller inverter up here, 600 watt, and I use that to charge all of my stuff. That's the GoPro battery and the iPad charger, and that thing there is charging a 2 terabyte wireless hard drive, which gives my iPad essentially 2 terabytes of storage capacity. Anyway, that charges everything. It also charges the laptop. This is that's a 500 gigabyte hard drive, and I keep all of my television shows and movies on that, which I then watch here, or we can take that hard drive and plug it in up front to watch TV together. So that's just a couple of the things that I've done back here to make life a little easier. Up here, I wanted to show you these. These are solar lights that you put in your yard along your sidewalk. But they have two rechargeable AA batteries in them. And I take those and put them in my flashlights and my TV remotes, and I've always got some charged batteries. They aren't in the sun right now, but in the course of a day it'll charge up those AA batteries very well. I have little blue notes on there. It tells me the state of charge when I put them in there, so I can test and see how well they're working. They work very well, and if you get some rechargeable batteries, and these things, you got to get the kind that have the batteries in them like that. I think I bought those in a set of 8 at Costco a long time ago, so I think I had 2 sets of them, and I took these out of my yard and put them in here, and it works great. These reflectors that you put in your car windshield, I have a whole bunch of those things, and I've cut them all to fit the windows. So we have one that fits each of the windows, and it really helps keep the heat out. I pretty much keep this one in the kitchen window all the time, because first of all, not much to see right outside the kitchen window, and if the sun's shining on that side of the RV, it really, really helps. I also have one for the door and, well, like I said, every window.